Welcome back to Mystery Trivia with Alicia Bailey Walton. I am a Library Assistant 1 in the Media Services Department. Today our questions will come from the series, The #1 Ladies Detective Agency by Alexander McCall Smith. Please remember, do not post your answers in the feed below. Please direct message us at the Juliet Hampton Morgan Memorial Library Facebook page. So take the weekend, collect your answers, and have them in by noon on Monday. Question 1. What was the secret that Ma Ramaswi found out about Dr. Kawati in the first book of the series, The #1 Ladies Detective Agency? I like to take that in. What did Ma Sabina hire the #1 Ladies Detective Agency for in the book Miracle at Speedy Motors? I have a question for you, sweetie. Who moved in with foodie writer Foodie, Ma McCutsy's fiance, after his accident in the Double Comfort Safari Club?
Present The House of Unexpected Sisters by Alexander McCall Smith.
What is the new title that Ma McCutsy took in the book, The House of Unexpected Sisters? Who poisoned the cattle in the Saturday Big Tent wedding party? Where exactly is the #1 Ladies Detective Agency located? What is Lisa's relationship to the estate owner in the Minor Adjustment Beauty Salon? In the Limpopo Academy of Private Detection, what course did Futi learn his micromanagement from? In the book, The Colors of All the Cattle, what was the business that the #1 Ladies Detective Agency was attached to, and who owns that business? Why did Samuel refuse to use his Setswana name? I hope you enjoyed our mystery trivia today. And remember, do not post your answers in the feed below. Direct message us at the Juliet Hampton Morgan Memorial Library Facebook page. And we miss everyone, and we hope that you all are staying safe. And please remember, wash your hands, wear your mask, clean and disinfect frequently, practice social distancing, and stay at home whenever possible. Have a great weekend. Look forward to hearing from you.